Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're not out and about, we're actually at home. And what I'm going to do is, obviously, I don't know if you've been watching previous videos, but Sophie is 34 weeks pregnant now. So the time has come where we're going to have our final scan in the next 2 weeks time. I think it's actually, no, it's in a week's time. And that will be the final scan that we get before we actually see baby being born. So today I thought I'd do a short video. I've took upon myself to create a bag that needs to be packed for Sophie for when we go to the hospital. And I wanted to show you guys, if any of you guys are going to have a baby soon, or maybe you've already had a baby, maybe you'll be able to put in the comments if we need anything else in the bag. I thought I'd pack the bag with you guys so you can see what we're taking with us. And if there's any hints, tips or tricks, you'd be able to let us know before baby comes in the next 4 weeks, if there's anything else that we should have in the bag. So, without further ado, I've got some bits. I've actually got the suitcase just down there, and I've got all the bits here that I'm going to show you of what we've currently got, and I've kind of packed for Sophie. So, I've labelled them because last time when we had Harper, which is almost... well, it's the 3rd of January 2024 when we had Harper. We was in the hospital for quite a long time. She was in labour for, I think, 69, 70 hours, maybe 72 hours. And when we was in there, we did pack a bag, but we just took maybe a nightgown, some snacks, iPads, and the boys, all you really need to do is bring maybe a spare pair of boxes if you have to stay a couple of nights, and your credit card or debit card or whatever, because you'll be the one that's going to the cafe for runs. So what I've done is labelled the bags this time, so if Sophie asks for anything, I know exactly what she wants because they're labelled. She's actually putting them in the bags for me, so she knows what she's packing as well. But so this is the first bag that we're going to put in. This is the underwear bag. Obviously you don't need to see what's in there, so we'll put that in the suitcase. Obviously I'll tidy it all up first. Won't put it in, just chuck it all in. We've got nightwear. We don't know how many nights we're going to be in the hospital for. We could go, I don't know, midday and be out for 5 o'clock if it's natural birth. The last one, we had an emergency C-section. So after we went in on the 1st of January, which is New Year's Day. Actually, no, we went in New Year's Eve and we didn't come out. Well, Harper wasn't born until 3:25 on the 3rd of January. So we've got quite a few nightwear packs packed into the nightwear bag. We've got nightwear. We've got a few spares just for laundry bags, I guess, because you know, if we're in there for more than 1 or 2 nights, you're going to want a laundry bag to put all your dirty laundry. And the next bag we've got, sounds silly now, we've got a towel bag. Obviously after giving birth, you can, last time Sophie gave birth it was a C-section, so I think about 6 hours after, she was allowed to get up and then go and have a shower. So we're making sure we bring our towels as well. Well, for Sophie, not for me. I don't care going a few days without. There are going to be more snacks in this bag. This is going to be the snack bag, but there are going to be a few more bits in there. This is mainly for Sophie. I can sort of sort myself out. But currently in here, there's no proper snacks, but we've got some energy gel that Sophie can have, obviously to keep your levels up. I think we've got some hydration enhanced with electrolytes that you put in water. I think there's just a few more hydration bits in there, and a pouch which is a dextrose drink, which is fast acting glucose basically. So that's in the snack drawer or in the snack bag, but there will be a lot more to go in there. This is not completely finished yet. Snacks over there. Okay, what else have we got? Right, we have got post-birth pads, postpartum catch-all pads. So if you have a natural birth or if you have a C-section, you'll be needing these, ladies. So yeah, these are from Boots. We got these for, and they're called Freedom Mum. They're not cheap, but that is a necessary must. So we've got those. The pads, Freedom Mum pads for post-birth. What else have we got? We've got another Freedom Mum with the upside down peri bottle, which is what I guess you squirt water on. Obviously, as soon as you come out of birth, you've got blood and stuff like that. So as soon as you come out of the labour room or C-section, hours after that, you need to squirt down there. So that's another one. So make sure you get that. One thing that I don't think I brought in is actually I might have. If Sophie does have a C-section, we've got some of them Frida C-section. They're like, what are they? They're like strips that go over your scar to heal it, like moisture strips. I'll show you them in a minute. That's baby's bag. Not got onto that yet. We always take some multi-purpose cleaning wipes when we go into the hospital. Not because we're cussing the hospital, I think it's dirty, but just for our own peace of mind. We like to wipe the sides and all the handles around so we keep ourselves clean and the area clean, just in case the cleaners might have missed it or didn't clean it to our standard. So we've got clean wipes that will be going into the bag. Suitcase. A suitcase, pretty much. When Sophie has a shower, she's got a nice little, what are these called? Bath and body scrub puff thing. I don't actually use this, I just pour shower gel into my hands and rub it over my body. We have got some Refresh cooling wipes to put into the hospital bag. So if Sophie just wants cooling down, I'll be click her finger like when she is for me when I want a drink. She'll click her fingers and I'll just wipe her face with some cooling wipes, please. Some Mitchum deodorant, no preference, just Mitchum deodorant after, if you get a bit smelly. And then we've got some eye masks for Sophie just to keep her comfy after when she's chilling out. Just wants to zone out for a minute. Obviously after you come out of birth, I can imagine, I mean I wouldn't know myself, but I can imagine for a woman you'd be all over the place. So just to keep mummy, why did I say mummy? Just keep mum comfy. Maternity pads, we've got these as well as the other pack. Put them in. It's always good to have as many as you like. You don't know how it's going to go, do you? And then we've got our shower gel stuff. So we've got the purple shampoo, Revive in there. And then we have Clinique moisture spray for the face. It doesn't have to be Clinique. They're quite expensive, but we need to use it. We didn't technically buy that specifically for this because it's almost gone, but we're going to put it in there anyway. Got some conditioner by Revive. Again. Now, if you've given birth before, you'll know that your lips get dry. The top ones. Definitely not the bottom. So you need them. Might cut that bit out. And then we've also got body wash for the shower as well. That's all going in the shower bag. And then this is the baby's bag that we're taking. So in the baby's bag we've got some nappies. I think we get them from Aldi. Then we got nappy changing mat that come with the bag when we brought it. Baby boy's first toys. That rhymes. In there. And then we've also got this little plaque. We could probably leave it, but we can take it with us anyway. So it's just welcome, hello to the world, the name of the boy, which we already have, but Sophie doesn't know date, time, weight and length. So we'll try and fill that out with a Sharpie when we are in the hospital. And we've got body suits for the baby. So when they come out of the vagina, they get wrapped up, cleaned up, not fully, but then they get a hat. The first outfit we haven't actually put in here, it can get a bit bloody, so we're going to take quite a few bodysuits for the baby. So when we are taking baby boy home, he'll be in nice, fresh, clean clothes, and it's not got, because you know what it's like when they come out, whether it's out the belly or out the vagina, they don't get cleaned up fully. It could be blood on their bodysuit or on the hat. So we're going to make sure that we have got him a couple of suits, bodysuits to wear, so he's all nice and fresh when he comes out. So that is pretty much that. It's babies. Alright, baby's bag. Okay, so we've got quite a few other stuff here. So this is going to go in the, like I said, the shower gel. We've got the toiletries bag. So more bits for Soph. So we've got the Motherhood Maternity, the Everywhere wash, which is from Luna, Daily Luna, which is also good. And you can get that from Boots. That's quite expensive. I think it's about £21 for that. We've got some bio oil because we're running out of the old one, so I need to rub it over my belly now as well. Maternity intimate wipes, and we've also got some nipple cream. Sophie will be breastfeeding. There is a bottle in here, just in case, but Sophie aims to breastfeed. She breastfed Harper for over a year. This is another Luna post. This is called Daily Luna, which is the same as that, and it's the post-birth soothing spray, and you can get that from Boots as well. The post-birth soothing spray. Actually, open that. That's quite cool. What does that do? Help soothe irritated skin, basically. So put that back in the toiletry bag. So that is the toiletry bag. I mean, it's like I said earlier, it's always good to label the bags, because last time Sophie was like, can you pass me this, can you pass me that, and I didn't have a clue where anything was. I was just rummaging through the suitcase and didn't know what we were looking for. So now it should go smoothly with these, hopefully. So that'll go in there. We've got another labelled bag for spare clothes, like I said, with the baby. What the baby boy will be wearing straight after birth will not necessarily be what he's wearing when we leave the hospital. So, bag for spare clothes, clean clothes, and mummy. Say mummy. Pads, we'll put the pads in there. So as I've just shown you, we'll put them into this designated bag. And we have got a bag for mum's clothes. That's in there as well. So, let me just find this. Now, this won't be coming in a hospital bag with us. However, we will be keeping it in the cabinet in the bathroom in case she does have a C-section. C-section. These are called C-section silicone scar patches, and that's from Frida, mum as well, that you can also get from Boots. That's pretty much it. There are a few more other bits to put in, but only more of what I've already said. So if there's anything else you recommend or think we should be putting in the hospital bag, please let us know. But I'm going to get this all packed up, ready. I know it's 4 weeks in advance. Obviously, we'll probably have to unpack it, put other stuff in like snacks, priorities, and also I don't know what you fancy, women. What do you fancy straight after after giving birth? What is it? Whether it's McDonald's. I mean, I think I've seen a viral video where her husband brought massive £200 worth of sushi or KFC. Or what do you fancy? Everyone talks about the buttered toast in hospitals, and as long as it's good, I mean, it smells amazing every time. But it was twice last time, because they do offer the dad's food as well, or toast, which is the best toast I've ever had. So God knows what it's like if you've just given birth. But they butter the toast. Sometimes it can be cold, and not a lot of people like it when it's cold. I did. But when it's piping hot with melting butter over the white toast, it's bloody brilliant. So can only imagine it's even better for the women. So that is our video on the bag, hospital bag that we're taking. If there's anything else that you think we should put in there, let us know. And yeah, I'll see you next weekend. Next video, we're going to London, please. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and just click the notification bell so you're kept up to date with every video that comes out. Thank you very much. Love you. Bye.